What's up, you bilinguals, bilingui, and večjezičniki? It's Vanessa with one S, not S, although I do have only one S, and you watching Marsikaj. So I'm going to Basic Slovenian Course right now. I'm teaching Basic Slovenian Course, so I'm finally a teacher. Thanks Lung for the opportunity. So today is our last day, and we've had like 60 hours. I have such an amazing group. They're like from Iceland, Italy, Bosnia, Serbia, Portugal. That's a very cool group. I like them all. They're very interesting people, and we just had so much fun. So I'm just gonna show you today, if they will let me, what did they learn and like what do they think is the hardest in Slovenian language and stuff like that. Let's go.
Živijo, sem Roberta iz Madjarske. Zdaj živim v Bosu. Sem 50 let stara.
Živijo. Jaz sem Nuno.
Iz kje si?
Sem iz Portugalske.
Koliko ste star, si rekel, da je skrivnost?
Star sem 32.
Dobro. Jelena, predstavi se.
Jaz sem Jelena, sem iz Srbije. Tukaj živim v Vrtojbi. Stara sem 35 let.
Dober dan.
Dobar dan.
Dober večer.
Dobar večer. Jaz sem Hákon.
Aha.
Sem
Iz Islandije, ja?
Islandije, ja.
Živijo, sem Pero, sem iz Bosne, zdaj živim v Deskle, star sem 39 let.
Ok, Andreja. Predstavi se.
Hvala. No, hvala. Peta, rezek.
Ok.
Jaz sem Andreja,
Ja?
govorim italijansko, malo slovensko.
Ok, vse je dobro. Aha.
Imam 44 let.
Super, ja. In kaj je najtežja stvar pri slovenščini? What's the hardest thing in Slovenian language?
Za mene bil zelo težko, to je skloni.
Aha, skloni, ja.
Ja, skloni. In dvojke.
A številke? Numbers?
Ne. To je...
You can say in English. A, dvojina.
Dvojina,
Ja, pardon.
Ja.
Ok.
Zdaj razumemo se.
Ja.
Vanessa.
A sem bila v redu učiteljica? Sem bila dobra?
Ja, zelo dobra.
Še povej, še.
Dialect.
Dialects, right?
Yeah, I can't understand everyone.
Ok.
Številke.
Številke?
Ja.
What's the hardest thing in Slovenian language?
Aš,
What? Ja. Slovenskem jeziku.
številke.
Številka, ne?
Verbi, gramatika.
Najljubše.
Dobro si se znašla, hvala.
Dobro.
Dobro?
Yeah.
Because you can use it a lot, or what?
No,
Dobro.
it's
Dobro.
similar to a Portuguese word.
Ah.
Dobro. It's the
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rada te imam.
Najboljši odgovor.
Joški.
I knew you would say that. That was your first word that you learned, right?
No.
But I didn't.
I have a neighbor called Josko and I once called him Joski.
Okay. Ja, hvala.
Izak,
Say hi to Bjork for me.
I will.
Te imam rad.
Pivo.
Ti si za mene najljubša učiteljica v Novi Gorici.
Samo v Novi Gorici.
Tako, je Vanessa najboljša učiteljica na svetu.
Hi, it's Vanessa from the future because I forgot to make a conclusion. It was my first time teaching Slovenian language to people whose Slovenian language is not their first language, and I had so much fun, but at the same time it was my first time, so thank you, my students, for being patient with me too. So thank you, Lung, again for the opportunity, especially Barbara. And as Nuno would like to say, even though it was Tuesday, lep vikend!
Na zdravje.
Na zdravje!
Čin.
Čin!